Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. How are y'all doing? Beautiful people in the house. We are back here for Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. Hey. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Right now, the Nasdaq holding on there at 25,080 level. We got kind of the overnight trend lower. We got a pivot point down here at the 25,020s. Should be another wild day of action. Some volatility already today, this morning, obviously, but see what happens. Looking like a bear flag right now there on the 15-minute chart. If it can move down there towards that pivot, maybe. Maybe. What's good? What's good? Dude, my 16-month-old son is dancing to the background music. Well, you know what they say. Bands are make her dance. All right. I was looking here earlier at some levels to the downside. Like, what do we have to the downside here? It looks like kind of like 24,840 area, maybe. It's like down into here. There is this low 930s, but kind of like down in this area, maybe. Will we get another bleed out of a day, another down? Yesterday, big down day. Yeah. Maybe, baby. Hmm. 930, 818 area down there. So see what happens here. Bum. Can't tell if this is going to be like a bear flag or if we're going to pop back up here. If we lose this 70 area, probably move down here pretty quickly to the 25,000s there next. But just got to kind of see. Getting denied there at that 9 EMA, got denied at the 21, but kind of just sitting down there right now. Just sitting down there right now. The 15-minute range has been wicking up into that 100 level a couple times. Somebody asked why I stopped using the LuxAlgo price action concepts. Honestly, there was just too much going on, too much on the chart. Just wanted to clean it up a little bit. Too much information sometimes can be bad. All right, retesting that 80s. If they get it through that 80-70 level, they should start to move this down even more. That pivot point down there at the 22 area. Testing that trend line there multiple times. Let's see if we break that 75 there next. There's that 75 test. Hourly candle, big wick on the top of that hourly candle, little wick on this one. Looks like she wants to break. PW, where are you going on the private jet? I'm going home, man. Just going home. Just going home. How's the desert life? It's good, man. It's deserty. Good desert life. All right, she's rolling. Will we dumpity dump down through this 70 level now? We're looking at the Nasdaq right now. Someone said, what stock is this? This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq, sir. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to wait till open to get that break to the downside here. Nasdaq popped it right back up there off that low again. Maybe some upward momentum before going lower. Still stuck there at that EMA though, but so funny how they like bounce off these trend lines like that. Getting real tight. Getting real tight there, boys. $75 looks like that line in the sand right now for the Bears, the Bulls. 75 holding still. They don't want to get below 75, so. We're right back up there to the 90s again. Indecision here before market open. We got about still 45 minutes till market opens, so. Let's go. Could this be a double bottom? Maybe. You never know. If it starts to push back up here, obviously, what do we got? We got the VWAP up there. We've got this like 140 area, 220 maybe. They couldn't break it to the downside, so you know what happens now. We go back up a little bit. You got to go back up before going down. Gotta go up before going down. Periscope. That 15-minute candle, look at that, just absolutely, they keep kind of pushing back up there. See, that 15-minute candle is going to put a big wick in there now. Make a coffee. I'll make a coffee real quickly. Make a coffee. Coffee's a brewing, Nasdaq's a pumping. Look at that. Just straight back up here, 130s now. Look at that fucking candle. What in the world is that? How's the weather in Cali? It's been great, man. Been real nice. Nice and relaxing, cool, I guess. Cool. It's cool, man. It's cool. It's cool, man. She's cool. All right, right now, NASDAQ pushing up there into that 21 EMA. We got a bit of resistance there earlier. You can see that 15-minute chart. We had a big wick, wick, wick. Is that going to be the same when we get another big wick here? $1 million question, huh? Always. Always the $1 million question. I was looking at this weekly candle earlier. Look at this thing. Weekly candle did not have much of a wick on the bottom until now. Earlier, it was just a big old body down there. So maybe we get a little bit of a pushback up here today to put some wick in the bottom of this weekly candle. Maybe. You know, I don't. That would be some theories. We got the VWAP up there at the 220s, 220 VWAP right now. So we're pushing up into this resistance. We get above this 130, 140 area. Could start to push back up towards that VWAP into open. So it's Fresh Cash Friday. Friday, baby. It's the end of the week. If you're green on the week, don't make Friday a red day. If you know what I mean. Don't make it a red day on a Friday. Coffee is secured. This is my last day. My last day in California. And then tomorrow we're flying back to Florida on the private jet. Did you bring your own coffee to brew? No. Someone said they got a small payout a week ago. Let's go. Small payouts add up, chat. They add up. Still got plenty of time here till market opens. Still plenty of time. You can see the sunrise over there. Look at the mountains. That view, man, it's hard to really show you how epic that view is. Look at this thing. You can't really see it, but kind of. Look. Damn camera. My damn camera, man, it's in the way. Oh, look at that. That's pretty sick. Look at that view over there. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, chat. It's a beautiful view. All right, Nasdaq holding that trend line down there, popped back up, couldn't get it below the 70s right there, and now squeezing back up, getting that reaction off the bottom for now. Like I said, on the hourly chart, kind of looking maybe a little overextended, like it needs to push back up, and then on that weekly chart was earlier, it had no wick on the bottom of that weekly chart, so. Doesn't mean it can't go lower, but just kind of maybe getting a little bit of a push back up. The daily candle right now, we broke to the downside. We're kind of getting back into this 25,000 area, which was previously, you know, like support as well. 25,000 now. So let's see what happens down here now. What's going to happen? This is where we got stuck earlier as well, there at the 140. So, good time to be patient, my friends. Be patient. Look at that 15-minute candle. Look at that thing. Do you talk about CFDs? Like, what kind of CFDs? What kind of CFDs you talking about? Just like CFDs? CFDs, man? No, we trade futures here. We trade in futures, my friend. What is my bias for today? I mean, right now, she looking like she wants to go down. Right? I mean, it's The trend is down right now, so I guess my bias would be that the trend continues here to the downside, but maybe we get a little bit of a push back up at open or beforehand. We got the VWAP. I mean, all the EMAs right now are very spread out, so that could be kind of a bit of an indication that we might get a little bit of a pushback up here. But the great thing is, guess what? All we have to do is just be patient and wait and wait and wait for market open. PW, why are you so early in the market? Well, I woke up early and I had nothing else to do, so I thought I'd go live on YouTube. Or, I mean, I guess I could turn it off and wait till 9:30. I don't know. It's crazy how, I don't know, why even ask that question? Why is that even a question that someone would ask? Patrick, I can't believe you're early. Why would you come on here early? I don't understand it. Forex Ike said CFD's nuts. Bro, that's messed up, man. Patrick, I don't know. I understand. Normally you don't go live until 9:30, but now you're live now, so I just don't understand why. Why? If I go live now, I make more money. You know, more people watching, more people talking, more people looking. More money, more monies, more money, chat. I want more money. Mike said that Terry gave you a shout out on her stream. She gave you a shout out on her stream and most of the views on YouTube Futures and you the GOAT. So respect was given. You're leaving your mark, bro. Just cool to see you. Long time viewer. Hey, man, I appreciate that. You know, I'm just out here trying to make a little bit of money. Like D Money says, just a little bit of money. Just a little bit of money. Yesterday we went 6 for 6. All right, I want everyone to know that yesterday we went 6 for 6 on winning trades. Right, so don't be mad if my first trade of the day is a losing trade. All right, don't be mad. That's how it goes. You know, I have about a 65% win rate. So if I have 7 trades or 6 trades in a row that are winners, you got to expect that at some point I'm gonna have a loser. So maybe don't follow me today. You know, not that you should follow me ever, but don't listen to me today. Might be, you know, something to think about. Patrick, when you did become rich, did you take advice from others on how to invest your money? Nope. I did not. I mean, the way I look at it, the way I look at it is, I mean, I hired an accountant. I guess that counts, right? Like I hired a professional tax accountant. So maybe I took his advice. You know, I've set up a 401k. I've got some other investment stuff I got for my retirement, just ways to, defer taxes into the future and all that. So yeah, I hired a professional. You know, I set up a trust, all that. I have a living will now, which is crazy. That's pretty crazy, man. 37 years old. I got a will now. I'm like, ooh. When you make enough money that you gotta make a will. I saw that GTA 6 is not going to release until November 2026 now. Pretty wild. I mean, how long have they been talking about that game? How long have they been talking about that game? I like this.
I'm literally in jeans and a t-shirt like every day of my life.
Jeans are uncontroversial. Jeans are awesome.
Yeah, I like your jeans.
You look great in your jeans. I think I know how you're going to answer this, but I'm going to ask anyway. I mean, the president tweeted about the jeans ad, or Truth Socialed about the jeans ad, and that just seems to me...
This reporter trying to get Sydney Sweeney to basically
like
apologize
a very baby moment.
for that American Eagle ad where they say that Sydney Sweeney has good genes. And now this reporter is basically trying to get her to admit that it's not right for white people to talk about our genes. Like, bitch, it's about genes. Like, the shit that you wear. She ain't talking about her genes, her chromosomes. God. All right. All right, we're getting ready here for a market open. Market open here. Look at that. I was trying to show. Look at the background. Look at the mountains over there. Look at the mountains. We're not at the BDH anymore. We're not at the BDH anymore. All right, Nasdaq kind of retesting that trend line here. Back down there, 25,080s. This is my last day, Fresh Cash Friday here in, I almost said Hawaii. In California. So we got denied there at the 140s again, straight back down here. Still got plenty of time, 25 minutes till market open. But I think if we start to lose this 90 area, well, could be bad. 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 Could be bad. Don't rush. Answer my question. I swear to God, if this is a fucking dumb question, I swear to God, I'm gonna ban you for life. I'm gonna ban you for life, you dumb motherfucker. Well, let me see this question. Where's it at? Where's your stupid question at that you keep asking me to answer? Where is it? When do you consider it was your prime time, not as an influencer, but mainly on trading? Was it time you went like 30 days win streak? That's literally the dumbest fucking question of my life. Get out of here. And you just asked me 20 times to answer it. Banned for life now. Good job, dumbass. God. Good job, dumbass. When was your prime time, Patrick? I don't fucking know, man. I don't sit around thinking about it. I just trade. God. Everyone always be like, Patrick, do you remember the exact moment that you became profitable? I'm like, no, I don't. Do you remember it? You know, I don't know, man. I literally don't know. I don't think about it, to be honest. I just trade. $90 profits. When was the low in your life? When you could remember struggling with trading? Every day, baby. Every fucking day. It's a struggle. Y'all think that trading just becomes easy one day? You think one day you just wake up and you're like, oh my God, I know exactly where to buy, exactly where to sell. It's constantly a fucking struggle, man. There ain't no, like it ain't, like it never gets easier, honestly. It's always the same fucking struggle every fucking day. That's the truth. You'll have moments of brilliance. You'll have moments of fucking failure. That is honestly the truth. That's all it is. Yesterday, I mean, the funny thing is, like, you look at yesterday and you're like, oh wow. We had 6 winning trades, but look at the price action yesterday. Look at the fucking price act. You could have gotten short pretty much at any point yesterday and made money. And that's the truth. I think people like want an answer, right? They want me to like be like, hey, it was year 3 and 4 months. At 4 months, I finally figured it out. But I've been doing this now for 9 years and I still blow up accounts. It ain't like you don't get to a point where you just become a genius and you're just an amazing trader. I would honestly say I wish I could go back in time and like go back to becoming if I could go back in time to day 1 of my trading career, right? If I could go back in time and if I only would have traded futures and I would have only traded bull flags and bear flags, and that's all I would have ever done, I think honestly I would be way better off. Well, that's what I would do differently. If I could do differently, I would go back in time and buy Bitcoin at 25 cents. Morning, you made money. Who cares? It's only 6 trades. What does that mean, Anthony? Who cares? What? Anthony, who cares? I care. Get out of here, you fucking idiot. Someone you troll online does not blow accounts. Well, I guarantee they do. Guys, every influencer online blows accounts. Don't let them lie to you. Don't let them tell you that they only have winning trades. Don't be stupid. Let's don't be stupid, chat. Don't be stupid. You know what I mean? Like, don't be stupid. Wow, Nasdaq pumping it back up there off the 85s again. So you recommend beginning and trading futures? Yeah, I mean, I think the day 1, if you just start out trading with the right idea, which is a bull flag and a bear flag, and you don't trade any other bullshit, then you'll make money. Honestly, that's like, that's it. That's it, man. That's all it is. Midget said he passed an eval and then got a payout. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, Nasdaq, a little pumping back up here now. She kind of, I mean, this is going to be that battleground, right? I think basically at open, just kind of watch to see how this goes. We got the VWAP to the upside. We've got the gap. Yesterday's close up here, 245. We've got a pivot point to the downside. Which one's easier to get to? That's the question, right? That we have to ask ourselves. That is the question that we need to ask ourselves. Which one? Which one? Which one? You know what I mean? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? So, let's see. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? You ever think like, which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? It's which one? Which one? Which EMA are you trading? Man, if I had $1 for every motherfucking time I had a motherfucking question about my EMA. It's the same as every day, guys. It's 9 EMA, 21 EMA. That's all it is. 9 EMA, 21. 9 EMA, 21. The 21 EMA is the red line. The blue line is... oh, God, it's something. The 9 EMA. So, that's all we got. Did I trade on the trade makers? I have not traded on them. I know the guys who own it. They're a new prop firm that offers equities. You can actually trade stocks. You can trade equity, like trade Apple, trade Nvidia through their prop firm. Right now, they're 50% off all their accounts. The trademakers.com link somewhere. D-Money would have a lot of money if he charged every time someone asked him about his EMAs. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. And if D-Money has a lot more money, then I'm going to have a lot more money. Do they have a PDT rule? No, it's a prop firm. Can you explain the difference between you using 9 EMA and 21 and D-Money using 14 and 50? Well, if you watch D-Money long enough, right? If you've watched him long enough, you'll know that he trades on a higher time frame, right? He's looking at the 1 hour chart, and just kind of a bigger, higher time frame. So he uses longer, higher time frame EMAs. Where me, I'm focused more on the 5-minute, the 2-minute, the 1-minute chart. So that's why I use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Does that make sense? Everybody got that? Makes sense? Makes sense? Right? I think that makes sense. It should make sense. I think. Right. Man, I don't know why, but I really want to get short right here. Right? Just I really want to get short right here, chat. I'll be looking at it like, ooh, it's looking fire. Anybody else feel that way? Look, it's just it wants to go. If you guys have not already, well, you already know, but the platform that I use day in and day out for executing all my trades for trading is Trade08 Prop. That's right, the biggest, the largest Trade08 Prop, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. You have many choices, but there is only one that is the OG of the future space, and that's Trade08 Prop. Whatever top prop firm that you use, you can select Trade08 Prop to be your platform. Oh man, I wish it was. This is a buy. Look at that. Are we gonna break this? Or are we gonna like? Is it? They're not gonna break it right before open, right? No way. No way. Come on. Not gonna happen, right? Not gonna happen, right? Right. 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 A prop firm that lets you trade stocks. That's right. TheTrademakers.com. They let you trade stocks. Correct. $514K CTV. Already up $400 on the day. He's done. He's out of here. Wow. So much for hanging out, you know. God. Guy makes money and then just gets out of here. Just makes money and then gets the fuck out of here. Also, big news coming up. Big news coming up. We've got Warbucks. It's not your old man. Look at that guy. Why is his tongue so long? I don't even know. My little Filipino man made that graphic. I don't know what he's doing. Little Filipino man like a long tongue. But yeah, man, Warbucks, BTC, it's coming very, very soon. Look at that. Magical. To be one of the first to get access to start trading with Warbucks is, there's a link there in the chat. Patrick, do you use an LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp? Well, I mean, an LLC, S Corp. LLC, pretty much everyone uses an LLC, but then you have to declare if you want it to be an S Corp or a C Corp. So S Corp is sole proprietary, whatever you say that, whatever that word is, man. I don't know about that word. Warbucks coming soon. There's a link there in the chat if you want to sign up to be the first, get the chance to get your little hands on the action. On the action. Right now, Nasdaq getting really freaking close. Are we going to break out here? We've got about 10 minutes till market open. 10 minutes. Hey Patrick, do you still communicate with Trades by Slade? Yes, no, I don't like communicate with him, but I see him around. I see him doing stuff. PW, what is the Apex deal? The Apex deal, no activation fee for monthly and lifetime. No, it's $40. $40 activation fee. $40 activation fee. $40 activation fee. Getting ready here. Market about to open up. Still got about 10 minutes. We're in that little triangle there. We're in that little triangle right there. Sup, you fucker. Where are you from? You know where I stay. You know where I stay, Kamaka. Kamaka. Makali. Makali? Is that how you say it? Makali. I stay north side. North side always. Never west side. Only north side. Makali. Makali. Oh man, I'm gonna get beat up next time I go to Hawaii now. Damn it. South is the best side? Nah, man, definitely not south side. Oh, Patrick, no light. Oh, I like scrap. Waimanalo. I used to go to Waimanalo. I know about Waimanalo. I used to live on the North Shore on Oahu. Patrick, have you ever tried funding ticks? Yes, I have. Yeah, I used to live in Pupukea. Pupukea, North Shore, baby. Up in the mountains there. Oh, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I do miss living in Hawaii. It was during COVID and all that. It was cool, man. Like, there wasn't a lot of tourists. Everything was empty. There was not a lot of people surfing. It was sick. Spent a lot of time just living in the woods, man. Born and raised, Waimanalo. Yeah, Foodland up the road, Pupukea. You know. You know. Pupukea, baby. First time on the channel. I'm from Scotland. Scotland? Let's go. Waihiwa. I've been to Waihiwa. I've been to the Waihiwa jail. I got put in the Waihiwa fucking jail, bro. God damn it. Me and some crackhead. I still don't understand, man. They put me in the back of a cop car, right? Put me back in the cop car, and there was another crackhead with me. And the other crackhead, because obviously I'm a crackhead, but the other crackhead, he didn't have no handcuffs on. And then I was like, this guy's gonna fucking murder me in the back of the fucking police car. PW, see you Sunday, Sawgrass Car Show. That's right, Sunday. If you're in South Florida, they got a big car show, 11 to 4 o'clock on Sunday. We're gonna be giving out some t-shirts. Got a bunch of t-shirts to give out. I got some shirts that have the cars on them and stuff. So we got about 5 minutes here till market opens. Funny that you have a black background and D-Money has a white background. Man, I told D-Money he got to change that background. He don't want to. He said he likes that white background. I'm like, man, once you go black, you never go back. You know, once you go black, you never go back. But he don't listen to me. Patrick, have you ever been to Maui? Oh yeah, I spent a lot of time on Maui. I would say Maui is more rural, a little less built up, a little less built up, a little bit more spread out, more rural. Oahu's a little bit more, you got like 1 million people that live on Oahu. I like Maui, I like the Big Island too, man. Kona's pretty cool. You get a really really good variety of like island kind of landscape. Kona, like you're driving through the middle of Kona and it's like you're on fucking Mars. You go to the volcano and then you drive through other areas and it's like you're in California because it's like cold and there's trees and there's eucalyptus and all that. And then in other areas it's like black sand beaches and then you get the waterfalls. Yeah, I feel like Kona is kind of slept on. People sleep on Kona. People be sleeping on Kona. PW, what's the coldest place you ever been to? Iceland. I went to Iceland one time. It wasn't very cold though when I was there. My brother used to live near Princeville. Yeah, we stay on the south side of Kona. All right, Nasdaq holding this trend line for now. I don't know who put that yellow line on the chart, but it's holding for now. We'll see at open. I think if this will be very telling. All right, we got about 3 minutes here, 3 minutes till market open. Right now, we're just kind of keep pushing up here. I feel like this is gonna just fucking crater to the downside, but I want to be patient, right? Patrick, when the market opens, you disregard the highs and lows. I don't disregard them, but I'm gonna trade it however I trade it. I'm gonna trade it however I'm gonna trade it, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna trade it, you know what I mean? What's your name, sir? My name is Billy Bob Thornton. Was born in the country. I die in the country. That's right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we got 1 minute here till market opens. 1 fucking minute, chat. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Get ready. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. We got 1 minute. That's right. 1 minute to go. Let's see what happens. Do we get the short to the downside? We've got a pivot point down there, 25,019. We got a pivot point to the upside. Well, actually, sorry, that is the previous day close, 25,240. It's Friday, 30 seconds, baby. Let's make a little bit of money today. Just a little bit of money. Make a little bit of money. Make a little bit of money. A little bit of money. Ooh, my hearts are racing. My hearts are racing. I just want to make a little bit of money. Just a little bit. Ooh. Just a little bit. Ooh. Here we go. All right, now market is kind of holding up there. A little dippy dipping. If we lose this 85 level, I might just jump in. Like if we lose, let's say, yeah, 75s. If we lose, oh yeah, it's kind of going right now. Oh God. All right, well, I'm gonna jump in here and look for like 10, 20 points to the downside quickly here, just quickly. And we'll take it right there. Cha-ching! Cha-ching! Down there into the 60s, still going lower. Hey, I'm not going to be greedy, chat. I'm not going to be greedy. Like I said, we break that little trend line, we go down, and there's your move. It's still going lower. Don't worry, it's still going lower. I do it for you. I take profit early for you guys. You know, I take profit early for you guys. For you guys. So we broke that trend line there. Let's see. Let's see what kind of happens here. All right, let's see what happens here now. If we kind of push back up, get denied there, maybe another short opportunity to go lower here. Let this first candle kind of close. All right, we're up one winning trade so far. One trade so far, winning trade there. I could have got even more out of it, by the way. Got a little gun shy there, or quick to the draw on that profit taken. All right, some more reaction back up here now. Yeah, some more reaction back up there now. I'm still thinking this is a good short. I want to see if we stay below this EMA there. I'm gonna try it one more right here. Stop is like right there, and we're looking for a new low, maybe even lower. A little quick reaction back up. Stay below that EMA maybe. Staying below that EMA for now. We got to get through this 60 area. And then I'm going to look to kind of trail this. We break through the 40s. I'm moving my stop down to guarantee 10 points and then try to get lower. This is the 2-minute chart. Yes, 2-minute chart right now. Looking for this break through the 50s here. We need to break 50 strong. Got my stop at the high of that last candle now. Just take it down. Let's go. I might just take it right here at the 40s. It's kind of just like bouncing there. Ugh. No, got to go lower first. Need to break through the 50s. There we go. I'm just gonna take it right there. I didn't love my entry, to be honest, and I don't want to give back profit there just for. I think it'll go lower, but I didn't have the best entry, so like, you know, it either was gonna just waterfall straight down there, which it might start doing now. We broke through that 50, but you know. There she goes. It was 10 points or more. That was about 15 points, 16 points. Still going lower. There you go. She's heading on down there to that pivot point. Pivot point at the 20s. Fuck, look at this thing. She's bleeding. She's bleeding out. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Still going, still going. Fuck. Well, congratulations if you kept that trade going. Congratulations, that's still going. That's 2 winning trades. Look at that, still going. Oh my lord. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Fucking A. I should have held that one. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, huh? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. If I had $1 for every time I coulda, shoulda, woulda, I'd be rich. Someone in the chat told me don't get short at the bottom. What happened? It went lower. You can see here on the chart as well, this play was beautiful, right? We had the break to the downside. We had our yellow line. We talked about this, like, hey, if we get below this 80 level, look for more downside. And look at it go. She's going, going, going. She's going, going, going. Down there to the 980s now. Oh my lord, look at that. That's 100 points, by the way. That's 100 points. It's off the fucking chart right now. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. Should have held that short, I guess. Yeah, that sucks. All the way down there to the 940s. Wow. It's impressive. That is impressive, chat. Let's see if we get a little bit of a push back up here, you know, like just a little bit of a push. It's possible. Who made money on that short? Who made money on that short? Who made money? Let me know in the chat if you made money on the short here. If you made money on the short, let me know. Oh my, look at everybody making money. Did you make money today, chat, with PW? Come on, look at that. Everybody be making money. Beautiful trade this morning. Took a great trade there. Over $10,000 in profit. It'll maybe load. Oh, look at that. Look at that. With the chat. Live from the desert as well. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking A. It's still going, boys. Who's still shorting? Anybody? God. That's crazy. Really, what an epic fucking trade there. What an epic fucking trade. Look at that thing. It's just gone. 920s now. No bounces around here. God. Oh man, the tilt right now, the FOMO is fucking real, man. I cannot believe I took profit for 20 points there. Fucking A. Oh man, let's see what happens. We get a little bit of a put. We still got a huge opening range now, so we got to be patient. Right, you got to be patient here. If you go and chase this to the downside, you're going to get ripped. It's going to rip back up and then squeeze you out of it, so don't do it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Market is still selling here. Still selling. Look at that thing. Oof. How many people held this all the way down there? Look at that. How many people? How many people? How many people? You make money today, chat, with PW? Come on, look at that. Everybody be making money. Beautiful trade this morning. Took a great trade there. Over $10,000 in profit. It'll make it look. Oh, look at that. Look at that with the chat. Live from the desert as well. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, just got to be patient here. We got to be patient. Gotta be patient here. Just gotta be patient, you know? Hey, either way, that was an amazing short, and if you didn't make money on that short, I don't know what you're doing. You know, I mean, I feel like that, you know, that was the short of the day. If you didn't make money right there, you might just want to walk away. Honestly, on a Friday, getting 100 points like that, Getting 100 points like that, you gotta be like, damn, this shit's too easy. It's too easy. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Let's go. Blow it up. Waiting for the next trade here. We are 2 for 2 right now. 2 for 2. We went 6 for 6 yesterday. Can we keep the momentum going here? Let's keep that momentum going. I like to go. Well, that's 8. We're 8 for 8 in the last 2 days here. So let's go for 10. Let's get 2 more good trades here today. 2 more good trades, and then we're sitting pretty. Right? We're sitting pretty if we go 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Let's go 2 more good trades. Pushing back up here into the middle of the 15-minute range right now. We got the 15-minute range about to break, about to be set here in about 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, we got a bit of a bear flag right now. Let's look at this chart. All right, we got the 15-minute candle. That pivot point right there, 25,015s. 25,000. I think if we could retest, let's retest 25,000. Because remember, this is that level that we just kind of talked about. This morning we talked about this pre-market. We're in this support area now, right? This is kind of where we bounced previously before a few times. So this 25,000 area is going to be a key level. The one thing that I don't love is the fact that the weekly candle, really right now, if we keep going lower, we're not going to have much of a wick on the bottom of that weekly candle. So how low can we go here? This is about 1,000 point weekly candle right now. What is Warbucks? Warbucks is a new prop firm that we're starting. It's a crypto prop firm, so you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade all that fun stuff. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, shitcoins. Michael Burry is shorting Nvidia. Cool. Very nice. Good story. Great to know. Great to hear. Can a Canadian use it? I don't see why not. Man, I don't think there's any issues with it. We want to trade Nasdaq. Okay, then trade Nasdaq. I thought you were against owning a prop firm. Well, I have partners in it, so I'm not running it. Like I'm not doing the day-to-day. So all right, well, we got denied right there again. Did we break this and go lower here? After this level, we got a pivot point down there at 24,800. Got the 15-minute range so far. The bottom is that 918 level. If we can just swipe to the downside through the 900s there next. She looks like she wants to go. I hate, like, I really hate when the market gets like down here at the bottom of this 15-minute range, because sometimes you get these like stupid reversals off the bottom of that range. So we just got to be careful. I don't, I'm not like, I like to kind of get that. If I'm going to get short here, it's like I really want more confirmation to get through that range there, because I don't want to deal with this kind of crap. Like this pump right here. See, I don't want to deal with that. So that's why I don't suggest that you don't want to get short basically at the bottom of this 15-minute range like that, because look at that reversal right there. We see too many times where that 15-minute range acts as support, and then you get that stupid push back up like that. See, that's like what? Almost 60 points back up there on that 1 minute candle. $200 points open range. Good luck with any prediction. I mean, we made money on the prediction. I don't know what you're talking about. We predicted the market would go lower. So we predicted it. I predicted it, chat. All right, so really this key level right now for the shorts is gonna be that 25,000 area. We keep getting kind of denied right there again, 25,000. So pretty nasty candle right back down here now. This thing's gonna close real nasty. Real nasty. When is Warbucks coming online? Hopefully next week. I'll be back in Florida next week. I think we're launching Warbucks officially. For everybody on the wait list, you'll probably get an email next week. If you haven't already, put yourself on the wait list. Blow it up. We're not gonna roll. It's gonna be wait list first, and then kind of take some time with that. Get everything working, make sure everything's working, and then we'll start opening it up more. But wait list first. What you gonna do, Nasdaq? What you gonna do? Just kind of holding up here for now. Be patient, my friends. We got plenty of time. It's 9:50 to 10 o'clock here. This gets a little funky sometimes. Like she's giving vibes, you know, like the Nasdaq's giving vibes, like it wants to go lower here, but these pushes back up are very violent. Very violent. Very violent right now. Pushing back up there. If you're just now tuning in, we are green on the day. We had two amazing trades here so far. That opening trade was just absolutely insane. I was short there from the 61s, covered at the 45s. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Warbucks will be using DayTrader for Warbucks. They have a trading view charts native. It's very similar to what people already know out there, but for futures, obviously always TradeAvate prop. Maybe in the future, TradeAvate will offer crypto trading through TradeAvate. That might be a good option. How much did I make today? Currently, we're up about $10,000 on the day. Waiting for another setup here. Does that make you Daddy Warbucks? Well, that was kind of the idea, right? Warbucks. We came up with that name. We were like, what would be a cool name for a crypto prop firm? Crypto prop. Prop crypto. Crypto for prop. Prop for crypto. Trade crypto prop. And all that. And, you know, that all sounded really gay. So I was like, nope. It's got to be cooler than that. It's got to be cooler than that. Come on now. I think Warbucks is sick. Warbucks. We're going to be able to do a lot of cool stuff as well. Can you swing trade? You can swing trade. You can hold positions for as long as you want, basically. Got a lot of volatility right now. Nasdaq is kind of holding up down here. We're below this 25,000 area still, but just want to be patient. I think do we have a little bit of news coming out? I think that's what I heard earlier. A little bit of news maybe, right? I don't think so. Or did we have news? Is any of the news, is it going to come out? This Michigan sentiment preliminary news? Is there a PW meme coin? No, please don't do that. Guys, honestly, by the way, never, and I'll tell you right now, never invest more than you're willing to lose. And that also goes for prop firms. If you have $10,000 saved up, do not, I'm telling you right now, do not fucking blow all your money blowing up evals and buying prop firm accounts, right? You should only ever invest what you're willing to lose, what you're willing, don't ever bet your rent on prop firms. Okay? Please, people. I get really sad messages sometimes I got a guy the other day, he's like, man, I lost $10,000. I don't have any money left. And I'm like, fuck, man, you know? Push it back up there now. All right, so here we are. We're kind of squeezing back up right now. I mean, the trend is still down, but you can see obviously that's a pretty big, that's about 100 points right back up here. So no reason to do anything, just be patient. You know? Just be patient. Just be patient. Or buy. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I don't really see unless you're just buying the bottom down there kind of thing. I didn't see a good long opportunity yet. We got the view off up there at the 140s. She is pumping back up. I get it. When are the boats going to be done? The boats should be done next couple weeks before Thanksgiving. Got the new boats. The new boats. PW, you said that it's not a correction yet. How do you feel today? I mean, I feel exactly like I did yesterday. I feel exactly like I did yesterday. I mean, zoom out, bro. Is this a correction yet? Is the correction in the room? You know? Is the correction in the room? So that's how I feel. I don't feel like there's a I don't feel like it's time for doom and panic just yet. I mean, think about it. Since March, since April, the market is up 55%. The market's up 55% since April. So yeah, I mean, I'm not worried about a correction just yet. And like even today, look at Apple. Apple's green on the day right now. So we got this news coming out here. What's gonna happen? Did I take any trades today? Yes, Gabe. We took a short at open. Where the fuck have you been? I swear to God, man. These people, they show up at 10 o'clock. I'm like, Patrick, did you make any trades today? Hey, Patrick, did you trade today? How much money did you make today, Patrick? Did you trade? Hey, Patrick, are you trading right now? Is this a trading show? How much money did you make? How much money? How much money? Always. Patrick, do you make money? Well, I just took a quick little short there for 10 points. 76 down there to the 66. On the day right now, we are sitting at about 3,000. 3,000 with those Lucid accounts right now, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's a good. That's a $15,000 Friday. $15,000 Friday there. P Money, do you have a car? No, man. No, I have no car. I got no money. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I got no money. Should we slam it short one more time, you think? Or what? Are we going? Is this going downtown? We lose this 960 area and start going down. Like I want to be short, but I'm like I'm a little afraid that we might chop around here some more. You know, I don't want to get chopped up. I like being green. You know, I like being green, man. Look at this guy. We got guys. If you got a Twitter, post up some good trades today. We got Gava here. He made 100 points there on that short this morning. Gava, let's go. Fucking legend. Look at that thing. Whee! You got balls of steel, my friend. Balls of steel. You got balls of steel. If you could only have one sports exotic car, what would you choose? I don't know, man. I hate those kind of questions because they're so like, I don't have to choose. You know, the great thing is I don't have to choose. I can just, you know, I don't have to because I'm rich and I can buy as many sports cars as I want. So why choose? You know, why choose? Don't need to. Don't need to choose. I don't need to. All right, we look like we want to sell here, right? This is giving like sell vibes. But what I would like to see maybe is one more pushback up here. Fuck, it's just gonna go. Don't just go. Give me one more pushback up. Right? One more pushback up would be great. One more little pushy push. Like back up here is 9. Ugh. She's just gonna go, huh? No, don't do that. Don't do that, Nasdaq. The best part of you is you're deadly honest. I mean, am I deadly honest? I'm just a guy on the internet, man, trying to make a little bit of money. All right, let's see what happens here. We push back up now. Ugh, not much. Not much of a push. Not much of a push. I mean, now I guess I'm just gonna wait for that 15-minute range to figure out which way it's going, I guess. Kind of annoying, but better to be safe than sorry. And hey, we're already up big on the day, you know? We got no problem just sitting back, being patient. There she goes. If I wanted to be aggressive right here, this would, you know, I'd be looking for this short to the downside here, but fuck. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Fuck, man. Fucking fuck. There's the break through the 900s now. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pushback up here. Oh my, why? There goes the trade. She's breaking to the downside. Still going lower. Oh, come on. Why you gotta do that to me, Nasdaq? Fucking A. No, no, no. Why? Why? All right, we broke through the 900 level here. Do we just keep waterfalling to the downside is the question. All right, the bottom of that 15-minute range is 920 area, so we really want to see Maybe a little retest of that 920s, right? There you go, a little retest. We'll see what happens there now. Strong retest. Little squeeze it. Look at that. Squeeze back up. That's why we be patient there, chat. You gotta be patient because of this bullshit right here. Big push back up there. I wonder if it's gonna be the higher low now. Oh my lord. What a squeeze off the lows there. I'm gonna try a little short here, see if we get a little bit of a reversal off this. Well, never mind. Oh, we about to get squeezed. We should get a little pullback, see if we get back below 960s again. Nope. Wow. She's a grind. Oh. Oh. And we stopped. Wow. Gave back some profit there. That was silly. What a fucking squeeze, huh? Just an absolute squeeze there. Gotta love the Nasdaq. That's about almost 100 points. 100 points there on that move back up. That was maybe a little too aggressive on that, trying to short that. Somebody must be tweeting or something. Back up there, 25,000s now. Oh my lord. Phew. What in the fuck? Is somebody tweeting? What's happening right now? This is crazy. It's crazy. Back to 50% of the opening range one more time here. Good lord. Dude, that was that. I mean, that's wild. That was wild. Absolutely wild. That was crazy. All right, looks like we might be turning back up here now. Look at this thing. We had a bear flag, obviously that bear flag denial at the bottom. So we're back into the middle of the 15-minute range here. We got the gap fill, puts us all the way back up there, 25,240s. Maybe this is, like I said, that weekly candle. They're trying to push it back up on this weekly candle, possibly, maybe to put more of a wick in the bottom of that weekly candle. Daily chart as well. Looking at there. We got the VWAP coming down here, 25,111 right now, VWAP there. So see what happens here. I mean, that's a pretty big reversal. I'm not like overly, oh my God, I'm gonna just go bull, but it's kind of giving that vibe right now, huh? Like giving that bull vibe. It'd be giving that bull vibe right now. That was a big reversal off the bottom there. Start pushing back up here. Apple going up and Q going up. Maybe if we get a little bit of a pullback. Kind of looking like if we could get a bit of a bull flag on the 2-minute chart, but let's just try a long here. Quick long. Maybe add into it if we pulls back a little bit. Try to ride some of this momentum. I'm gonna add right there. We're holding up at that 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart right now. Someone said, why am I getting long? Because I like to party. You know, I like to party, bro. What can I say? You know, I like to party. All right. That's just what I like. I like to party. Maybe it stops me out, but hey, we'll go and try it. If we can just hold this 25,000 area, But if not, we in trouble. Did not want that much of a pullback, to be honest, but back down there to that EMA. We might be in trouble here. I'm going to add one more right there below 25,000 and see if we get the pop. If not, we're stopped out. We are almost green. We are almost green. Almost. Almost green. Come on, hold the 25,000s. Give me one more 100. Give me one more 100-point pop. One more 100-point. One more is all I need to make you fall in love with me. Come on, baby, let's be free. Blue line of resistance now, holding us down there. Classic. Just classic. Just classic fucking blue line bullshit. Blue line bullshit, always. It's a blue line bullshitter. Yeah. Oh my, are you kidding me? What was that? We just popped up like 20 points right there. Come on, let's get through here, Nasdaq. Get it through there. Get it through. Get it through, Nasdaq. If we break this 40 level, like I said, looking for 70, 80s up there. Wow, that sucks. What is happening right now? This chop. I should be short. Okay, well, I mean, I'm not short, so it don't really matter if I should be or not because I'm not. I'm long, so hopefully it goes up and not down. We're just consolidating here. We're either going to pop or we're going to drop. I mean, let's go. It is what it is. Wow. All right. Well, looks like we're in trouble here now. 2 times getting denied there. 2 times. And we're out. Fucking A. Whatever. But Patrick, you should have been short. Oh, well, yeah, I could have, yeah, okay. Okay. I could have done, yeah, I could have been. But I wasn't, so not much to do about it now. Not much to do about it. Why didn't I just take it off? Why? I mean, I was risking $2,000 to not... Well, I'm not going to just take a $500 profit, guys. You got to take a trade. I mean, it is what it is, so. Correct. It's easy to sit here in hindsight and tell me what I should have done. At open, people told me to cover my short at the 40s because it was going to go back up, and it went down 100 points, so. Yeah. Who should I listen to? Should I listen to the chat? Should I listen to myself? Should I just trade my own strategy? Make money, I don't know. You tell me. Which one, Which one should I do? Right back down there, the 63s again. The great thing is maybe there is a short setting up here. We can always short it again. I ain't stressing. I think the chat stresses a lot more than I do. The chat be stressing a lot more than me, so I ain't worried about it. It's pumping again, back up there above 25. I'm trying it long one more time. One more time. Kind of looking like an inverse head and shoulders on the bigger time frames. Oh my Lord. Dude. If this thing breaks out, it's gonna go to the fucking moon. We got the VWAP up there at the hundreds. Someone said, just make 10 points. I want more. Inverse me. Yes, go ahead and inverse me. I'm green on this trade, you idiot. I mean, we're just stuck right in the middle of the 15-minute range. Like I said a million times, don't trade in the middle of the range. You know, if you diddle in the middle, you're gonna find out. And well, right now we diddling in the middle. So, look, we're right in the middle there. Just diddling in the middle, and we just diddling in the middle, and pulling back here again. Just pulling back here again. Oh, God. You want people to use that code. I mean, no one's telling anyone to copy me. It's not going anywhere. What do you want me to do? Y'all win. I suck. Everybody wins. I suck. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here again, 24,960. Pull up the daily chart. Will you shut up? Don't tell me what to do, people. Pull up the daily chart. You go pull up the daily chart. You know what's the best thing ever is when you lose a trade and everyone in the chat tells you how to do. Oh, Patrick, do this. Patrick, why don't you do this? Patrick, do this. Hey, Patrick, why do you not do this? Patrick, you gotta do. Why do you, Patrick? Look at this indicator. Hey, Patrick, look at this. Patrick, will you look at this? Patrick, look. Look, Patrick, there's an indicator. Look, look, look. Everyone's a fucking genius. Patrick, look. Look at the indicator. It told me not to get long here. It told me. Look, Patrick, look. I don't give a fuck. Everyone be tripping out over nothing. What you all gonna be tripping out? I'm fucking green. I am green on the motherfucking day. I'm playing around over here. Just playing around. We're up $3,600 across 5 accounts. I ain't worried about it. Don't tell me what to do. You worry about yourself. You worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. Don't worry about me. You worry about you, because I'm winning. I'm winning. There's no way this guy doesn't work with the prop firms to help y'all burn accounts. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody in the chat. How many trades did we win yesterday? 6 in a row. So if my goal was to make you guys blow up your accounts, well then why would we have 6 winning trades yesterday? You're like, the cope is real, man. The cope is fucking real. He just helps everybody lose money. That's all I do. I just be out here making everyone lose money. Nasdaq just holding on here in the middle of that 15-minute range. Can't go anywhere. And be a fucking A. Are we gonna sell down here now or what? Should I go short and then it'll pop back up maybe? Good idea. Natasha said, help my husband. Fuck your husband, Natasha. I don't give a fuck. Go to Ninja. I don't, what the fuck? Somebody in the chat telling me to help her husband. I get the craziest people hitting me up all the time. Hey, Patrick, I want you to be my mentor. Teach me. I'm like, what do I look like? What do I look like? I mean, everyone's talking about the bear flag, but I mean, I don't fucking know. I mean, it was kind of given that, it was given the like inverse, you know, head and shoulders type vibe. Maybe this is the bottom now. I don't fucking know. Oh, she's looking bad again. So we could go short there, I guess. I don't know. Let's try the shorts, chat. Got some evals here we're trying to pass. Yes, perfect. Let it blow right back up. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's fun. Oh, my lord. What am I going to do here? Just get chopped up in this bullshit. Now it just pops right back up. Perfect. 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 Perfect, though. Oh, God. The inverted fair value gap. Oh. That's what it is. That's what it is. The damn inverted fair value gap. This whole time I've been doing it wrong. Play the long back to the middle. I don't know. Is it a long back to the middle or is it a short here? I mean, it looks like it just wants to fucking dump. You know, why does the market look like it just wants to dump? Anybody else looking like it? Just look at it now. Now it just wants to dump. It's getting absolutely tricky. It's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. And then we're going to add to this. We're going to add when we break through 900. We're going to go all the way down, down, down. Oh my God. It's not going to dump. I'm looking to add into this as we sell through here. Right, so we're going to try to add into this all the way through the 900s there. Break 900 and try to add again. I'm gonna add right there. Trying to look down this 75, 56 area. Oh, come on. Holding these lows down here for now. Nope. No break. Oh my God. Wow. The low of that candle right there was 75. There we go, getting some filled. Do 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 do. Oh, sorry. Price was below the black banner. If you want to do, tell me what you want. All right, I'm putting my stops here for at least 10 points. That way, at least we don't give back 10 points on that. But let's see how much we can get to the downside here. This is the 5-minute chart we're looking at right now. 5-minute chart. I would love to get right down there to the 48s, take some profit, and then let the rest ride. Oh, almost. Very close, very close. So fucking close. Look at that. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, come on, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Hey, look at that. We made a little bit of profit while I was in the bathroom. Don't you love that? Don't you love coming back from the bathroom and seeing you made some money? All right, now my stop is right there at basically 10 points, right? So either we go lower or we don't. Ugh. This is always what happens when I leave a runner on. You know that, right? Anytime I leave a fucking runner on, it's always gonna reverse up, take me out. So it's like guaranteed. 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 What's funny is, you know, when you think about it, all this bullshit here, once we finally got below the 15-minute range, there's that move down that we, you know, could have just been patient and waited for. It's hard. It's hard to like stay out of this. You know, you get up there and you're like, oh, it's gonna reverse, hit the VWAP, but just how it is, man. Just how it is sometimes. We got a pivot point. If you look on the 15-minute range, we got 50% of the opening range down there at the 820 area. And then we got a pivot point down here at the 800s. Can we get that far down there is the question. Maybe. 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 And we're out. Just gonna pop up there just to stop me out. Nyeh. Classic. Fucking A, look at this. What a stupid fucking, like, why? 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 Even on the 1 minute chart, just stupid. I'm gonna try one more short right here. Stop at the 80s, see if we can't move down a little bit more. Is that your Zoom? Why is it in your bag? Yeah, I'm so low. I'm still live, so don't pull your titties out, girl. Don't pull your titties out, girl. What? No, your phone alarm went off this morning, so I had to go in and get it out of there. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Yeah, she kind of just stuck down here now, chopping around. What time is it? It's 10:50, so maybe 11 o'clock we get a little bit of a pushback up, and then we move lower. We'll see. I was kind of like looking for down into this area, maybe. Oh, come on. Just go. Why she gotta be like this for? Why she gotta be like this for? I'm gonna move my stop here. I might get stopped out, but I'm gonna be a little bit aggressive just in case it pops back up. If it pops back up, it is what it is, but see if we can't get this move lower now. Just does not want to go. I'm gonna go. Ugh. It just sucks because no matter what I do with my stop, I'm gonna get fucked here. I don't know. Just fucking A. It's like, it's just a shitty place. I'm just gonna move my stop right there. If we get stopped, we get stopped, whatever. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. No, no, oh, no. No, no, no. Come on. Don't do that to me, Nasdaq. Literally drops 20 points straight down and then right back up instantly. What a little cunt. Yeah, we're getting stopped. Fucking A. That was annoying. Some guy in the chat said, as announced, we went down to 24,000. What do we think about this guy? Chat, should we send him to the VIP room, you think? He says, as announced. He announced it, everybody. What do you think? I think VIP room. I think VIP room. He announced it. Wow. Nasdaq still going lower. Classic. Why you gotta be like that, Nasdaq? Why you gotta be like that? Such a pain in the ass. Let's get more likes. I agree. We need more likes. How many likes we got right now? How many likes we got? Let me see. Let me see what we got. What we got. We got 871 likes. What the fuck is going on? Guys, we got to get more likes. Come on now. Come on now. Let's look at this thing. It's still going lower. But are you fuck? I told you I was going to get. What a joke. I knew I was going to get fucked there. I fucking knew I was going to get fucked. Are you kidding me right now? What a joke. Motherfuckers. 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 Buy and hold. Patience will pay. Okay. Deal. Deal. Deal, chat. Look at that pump. Oh my God. 820 back out to 850, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it when it be pumping like that. Be pumping, pumping, pumping. Be pumping, pumping, pumping. Pumping, pumping. She's pumping, pumping. You make me. Somebody asked me about my Lucid accounts. So my Lucid accounts, these accounts I got right now, starting there the end of October, $2,400, $2,600 per account. And then we did $2,600, $2,500. And then on Wednesday, look at this, how stupid I was. Ended up having just a absolutely blowout of the day. It went way too heavy into a trade and lost $6,000 in one day. So you gotta love that. And then yesterday, made $3,300 per account. And then Friday, we're up $3,600. So it's a battle, man. It ain't easy. You make money, you lose money. You make money, you lose money. It is what it is. But you can see my P&L curve there, right? P&L curve. Had that, yeah. I don't know. I think, you know what I did? I think I traded Wednesday. I think I traded at night. I got really high, and then I decided I was going to trade like 8 o'clock. That's what it was. Yep. It was Wednesday. On Wednesday, that was the fuckery. More than 6,000. Yes. It'd be 6,000 times 5. So however much that is. Yeah, it was Wednesday. So I traded, if you can see here. Oh, I think it was during this dump. That's what it was. Or no, it was this dump. Yep. It was this fucking dump right here. I tried to buy too early. Or I got long here, like the 300 level. And then I got dumped on one more time, so. Stupid. Fuck around, find out, man. Don't smoke weed and trade, man. Don't smoke weed and trade. These little things. I don't know if I can actually show them on the stream. Can we see the last month calendar? Yeah, man. This is October. Here's October calendar. I don't make any money trading, by the way, so yeah. An absolute failure of a trader sometimes. But yes. How many contracts per account? Normally, I try to trade... I don't even know. Try to trade these with these Lucid accounts. I've got they're 150K accounts, so I normally trade. I try to stop myself from trading more than 5 contracts per account. But honestly, sometimes you go full retard and you just do stupid stuff. You know, I mean, it's the truth. Yeah, it's not ideal. It happens though. But you can see today, we're up. We're up $3,600 times 5 accounts. This is a eval. Sorry, no, this is a directive funded. These are Lucid directive funded accounts, LTD, Lucid Trading directive funded accounts. Those are Lucid directive funded accounts. And then I got some take profit trader accounts that I'm trying to pass. We made $2,500 today in these accounts, which is actually going to be more than I need to make. But, yeah. PW, can I send you some premium weed? I mean, you can. I ain't gonna be mad about it. I ain't gonna be mad about it, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna be mad about it, that's for sure. I won't be mad about it. PW, I thought you switched to the 5-minute chart. I did. We were looking at that short down there, and I just switched over to the 1-minute chart just to see what it was looking like on the 1-minute chart. So I was looking at the 1-minute chart, and I just or the 5-minute chart, and I wanted to see what it looked like on the 1-minute chart there. Today's moral of the story of the moral today. Let's talk about what went wrong, where we could have been better, what we should have been focused on more than anything. It's hard, man. It's hard. You know? Because if you look here, basically, we had the 15-minute range. And I kind of talked about this earlier, too, on how, like, I don't really like to take those like breakouts through the 15-minute range, because what happens, you know, it kind of ends up getting a little bit of support there. So we took a really good short on this bear flag there at open. We had this like wedge at open that we took a short on. I shorted, took like 20 points. It dumped all the way down here, and then it's like bottom of the 15-minute range, bottom. We break out when then we ramp all the way back up, and then like up here, we start to move lower, and then here's that pivot point down there. So again, you know, it's just patience, being patient. That's really all it is, man. Being patient. Waiting for that 15-minute range to play out, really, you know. The middle of that 15-minute range, I tried some longs inside here, which clearly was not the play, but it is what it is. I mean, it's just, you know, you gotta trade, people. And the thing is, like, you can't go into every trade with the idea that it's gonna be an instant winner or it's gonna be a winner, right? Majority of trades that you enter, you know, it ain't always just like you get in, you get out. So I know the thing is, like, I know, like, for me, right, there's a lot of people on the internet that always have something to say. They got some kind of fucking, you know, something to say. But at the end of the day, no trader is 100% right all the time, right? You're going to take bad trades. You're going to have red days. You're going to blow up accounts. Anyone who says anything differently, like they're just lying to you. The same mentor, I'm telling you, the same guy who has a mentorship who says that he never has losing days. Yeah, well, he does. He just lying to you. He just trying to get you to buy his mentorship. I mean, it's a bullshit, man. It's just, it's bullshit, so. Market's still just kind of drifting on down. We got that pivot point at the 790s. Will we go there next? And it's funny too, because like if you're in this short, if you're short from here, 900s, like all these stupid little pop back ups, there's that. I mean, it's going. It's like trying to get down there to that pivot. 790s now. She wants to go lower. She wants to go lower. She just wants to go lower. And this is it's always right before you get to your target is when the market starts doing this stupid shit where it's like, just starts like, just really fucking with you. Like right now, it's just like, it's fucking with everybody. It's like, haha, watch this. I'm still bleeding out here, down there to the almost 800s now. There's your pivot point. Getting tapped. Will we get a reaction now off this down here? Or do we keep grinding lower? You stopped working with D-Money? No. D-Money's live every day. 1:30 p.m. Eastern. Hit him up. You can check out D-Money live on YouTube every day from the BDH. I'm in California right now, chat. Look at me on. Do you see me in the BDH? Where the fuck is D-Money gonna be? He got his own life to live. He can't just be following me around the fucking world. Come on now. Y'all gotta be smarter than that. Y'all gotta be smarter. You just gotta be smarter than that, okay? All right, there we go. Through the 800s now. She's still going lower. Shorts getting paid. Shorts getting paid. Wow. Going. She going. Patrick Wieland. Can you connect me to Alex Polo Finance? Thank you. Oh, I wasn't muted? How was it muted? I thought it was muted. All right, well, here we are down here at the lows now. Nasdaq. I mean, I feel like at some point we're gonna push back up here. I mean, the weekly chart, we just took out that liquidity there at the 800s. There's like barely any wick on the bottom of this weekly candle. You know, like I mean. Right? I mean, you know, like, you know what I mean? Like, it'd be trying to go. Like I get to start squeezing back up there. Yo. Yep. Yeah. We're not worried. Yeah. All right, sick. I like it. We're both number one for the LFA. I told Julie that just go ahead and make the checks out to us. We're both number one. It's destiny. say, like, so when this, because the 42 goes in the water, and then what, they take it to that shop in Dania to put the tower on? Yeah, okay. I wonder how long that takes, like, what the turnaround on that is. Yeah. Sick. Alright, well, I mean, yeah. Just be really, it'd be fucking sick to have the 42 in the water for Thanksgiving and all that. Try to fish as much as possible. It looks like we're already getting sick. Yeah, alright. Sounds good. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow afternoon. I'll let you know which car I can drive on the horses and the switch it, and I'll trust Jason and drive it. Alright, I'll be here tomorrow. Peace.
All right, ladies.
Is Patrick not trading today? Oh, I'm trading. Why do people come to the stream and go, did you take a trade today? What do you think I'd be doing here? Like, is there ever, hey, honestly, chat, is there ever a fucking day where I don't take a trade? Is there ever, like, literally, is there ever a day where I don't trade? No, never. No, that was my boat captain. I'm trying to get this financing done on my 42-foot center console. That motherfucker is $1.5 million. So it's basically like getting a mortgage on a house. $500,000 down, $20,000 a month. Whew, she's gonna be fun. She gonna be fun. Gotta get ready to go out into the desert at my last day of racing. Well, not really racing, but practicing day. Well, I mean, I'm pretty happy with all that. You know, it might be a good time to walk away now. Nasdaq just kind of sitting down here. We made some money today. We're very much in the green. Blew some evals playing around, but passed some evals as well. So kind of just is what it is. You burn them, you make them, you burn them. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just walk away, man. Fresh Cash Friday, easy as that. Make a little bit of money, walk away, go enjoy the day. So if you guys haven't already, like button, subscribe button. But if you're getting $1 million a month from affiliates, why not pay it outright? Or are you taking tax deductions off interest? That's a very poor person idea, right? The idea, why would I pay 1.5 million in cash for a boat when I can finance it and not have to put all that cash into the boat? It does not really, like, you know, it's just not like a good plan, you know. So other people's money, baby. 4 years at 20K per month. Yeah, but I'm gonna sell the boat. I won't keep the boat for 4 years. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep the boat for 4 years. I'm not gonna pay it off. I'm going to buy the boat and then sell it probably within a year. Is it hard to get loans as a YouTuber? It is a little tricky, but when I show them my cash, when I show that I have $2 million liquid and I make $1 million a month, then they don't really have much of a problem. Value will sink quickly. What are you talking about, PhD trader? Oh God, these fucking morons in the chat. The value will sink. It won't sink. What are you talking about? The motors are brand new. They're Mercury 425 V10s. Is this going to be a continuation to the downside here, or do we start to get some support? You know? I think either way, I'm going to be done. Just walk away. So, PW, what is your favorite investment as a day trader? Fucking QQQ. SPY. Dude, what is this guy talking about? What is he talking about? PhD trader. What the fuck are you talking about? $1.5 fucking million yacht. It's not even a yacht, you dumb motherfucker. God. What is he talking about right now? You don't even know what he's talking about. Literally, you have no idea what you're talking about right now. Yes, my boat will have 4 motors, 425 motor V10s. I don't know. I was looking online to see if there was one for sale, but my boat's so new they don't even have one. So, oh yeah, here's one. This is very much like my boat. It's a 2024 42Z. This is what my boat would look like. It's beautiful. Those are the 400s on the back. I'll have 425s. Someone said ugly. I mean, it's a fishing boat. I don't have that glass and I don't have that tower. My boat looks different, but this is what $1 million gets you. It's a fishing boat, boys. It's a fishing boat. We going fishing. All right, we going fishing. All right, right now Nasdaq still kind of looking like she might go lower. What are the docking fees? I keep it at my house. I live on the water. Was your boating license hard to get? No. I also have a full-time captain. Each motor has 425 horsepower. Yes. V10 Mercuries. It's pumping right back up here. I think this might be the low of day, to be honest. I don't know. Do you need to have a captain's license to drive the boat? No. I have a captain already, but you don't need a license to drive the boat. Not a captain's license. How much is the gas bill on a fishing outing? I don't know. It could be $1,000, $2,000. Depends on how much you go. How fast will it go? I don't know. 70 miles an hour? Get out of here. Hey, Alex.